Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just about skyscrapers, but also about ambition, innovation, and a little sprinkle of national pride. Grab your virtual hard hats, because we're exploring the country with the tallest building in the world. Yes, you guessed it. We're heading to the United Arab Emirates, specifically to the dazzling city of Dubai, home to the iconic Burj Khalifa. Now let's start with some facts. The Burj Khalifa stands at an astounding height of 828 meters, or 2,717 feet, and it has 163 floors. That's right. It's not just a building. It's a feat of engineering that dwarfs everything around it. Imagine standing at the base of this towering giant, looking up and feeling the sheer scale of human achievement. It's like gazing at a needle piercing the sky, and it's all thanks to the vision of the UAE to transform itself into a global powerhouse. But what makes the Burj Khalifa so special? Well, for starters, it's not just about height. The design of the building is inspired by the Hymenocalyx flower, which is native to the region. The three-lobed footprint is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional, allowing for maximum stability in high winds. And let's talk about the materials used. The Burj Khalifa is made from reinforced concrete, glass, and steel, with around 103,000 square meters of glass used in its construction. That's enough glass to cover about 17 football fields. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the construction process. The Burj Khalifa was officially opened on January 4, 2010, but construction began in 2004. It took 6 years and involved thousands of workers from all over the world. Can you imagine the teamwork and coordination required to pull off such a massive project? It's a true testament to what can be achieved when people come together with a common goal. And what about the experience of visiting the Burj Khalifa? If you ever find yourself in Dubai, a trip to the observation deck on the 148th floor is a must. You'll be whisked up at lightning speed in one of the world's fastest elevators, reaching speeds of 10 meters per second. Once you step out, you're greeted with breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the desert, and even the Arabian Gulf on a clear day. It's a moment that leaves you speechless, a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. But the Burj Khalifa isn't just about being the tallest building. It's also a symbol of what Dubai represents. The city has transformed from a small fishing village to a global metropolis in just a few decades. It's a place where cultures collide, where luxury meets tradition, and where the impossible becomes possible. The Burj Khalifa stands as a beacon of this transformation, drawing millions of tourists each year who are eager to witness its grandeur. And let's not forget the surrounding area. The Burj Khalifa is part of the downtown Dubai complex, which includes the Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world, and the Dubai Fountain, which puts on a spectacular show of water and light. It's a vibrant hub of activity, and you can easily spend an entire day soaking in the sights and sounds. In conclusion, the Burj Khalifa is more than just the tallest building in the world. It's a symbol of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It embodies the spirit of Dubai and serves as a reminder that with vision and determination, we can reach new heights, literally. So the next time you think about skyscrapers or the marvels of modern engineering, remember the Burj Khalifa and the incredible story behind it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's tallest building, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, keep dreaming big.